This is the turn of the long walk inside Nami Island. You turn right back to where the vessel will be fetching us back to yung mainland area. Dito siya. Supposedly maganda tong Nami Island if it is full of yung snow, no? Kaya maraming pupunta dito. People go here because of the snow, but right now the snow has not come out, no? Just enough of yung snow. Tingnan natin dito. There's a landing wharf here for the ferry. Ito yung sabi ng na shortcut, no? Pabalik. They're having pictorials pa. So today is December 26, no? Just day after Christmas. We're having our family vacation here in Korea. So right now we're in Nami Island. Hanggang sa naglalakad sila. So cold. Sobrang lamig. Huh? You know? Medyo deceiving, no? Because there's a sun, but the temperature is below 0 degrees. They're here, you know.